Hello and welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve Des from Dezperate and today we're going to be talking about self-tapes are actually a must now. So we are in post or during pandemic times, and it seems like pandemic won't ever go away. But thankfully, the industry has shifted its way to be more pandemic friendly. And now pretty much everything is a self-tape. There's a lot of things that are fully remote that you can do, from auditions to callbacks to workshops to showcases to networking mixers to Q&As to so many things that are fully and completely remote. You no longer have to hop in your car and actually go someplace and do all these things. And in a way, it actually eases more the people that are breaking through acting these days, because they don't have to go through the stresses that actors like myself and other people in the past have had to go through for so many years. And that is being late to places, finding parking, doing all these different hustle and bustle things that you have to do on a daily basis in order for you to get cast on a role or getting opportunities to network with people. So now self-tapes are a must. And the better you look in a camera, the better setup you have, the absolute best. And the only 4 things you have to worry about is your camera. So as long as you have like a really, really good phone, you're pretty much good to go. If you have a updated phone, meaning like at least the phone is from the last 2 years, you should be good to go. You don't have to get the latest and greatest thing. But for example, right here, I have a Google Pixel and it works really fine for me. It has really good camera quality. But if you have an iPhone, if you have a Samsung, whatever it is, just make sure that it's not extremely old, so you can always have the best quality possible. If you're a person that you're into cameras already and you have a DSLR and you know how to hook it up to our computer, even better. But you can do all these stuff from your phone. Audio, just make sure that you have crystal clear audio. Right now you can listen to me and I'm just straight up talking to my camera. I don't have a lapel mic, I don't have anything like that. But if you have those resources, if you have those materials, if you can spend a few bucks on getting something from Amazon, like a little lapel mic or a little speaker that can actually capture audio even crisper and better, will be so much better. And if you're using a computer, for example, then you can get a more professional quality mic. Like, for example, this mic right here that I have is a super professional, high quality mic, and I use it primarily for voiceover roles and things like that. But if I hook it up and I have it for an audition that they needed to listen to my voice crystal clear, that will be the way to go for me. So the better quality of audio you can have, the absolute best. Then the third thing will be light. So the best light possible you can get, the better. For those people that don't want to spend that much money or don't have the budget to spend that much money on light equipment, just have natural lighting. Just make sure you're in a place where your window is facing you forward, so the light is shining upon you and you can get that nice natural light. But if you want to be more in control of your lighting, then make sure you spend a couple bucks on some soft boxes that are pretty inexpensive, or you can get an RGB light that's a little bit more expensive, but it's so much worth it if you're willing to spend that money and invest in yourself. And then the fourth thing that you need is just to look as great as possibly you can. Right now, this is just me. This is how I look typically on a regular basis. But if I were to be auditioning, for example, for a commercial, it wouldn't be too different on how I look like now. Maybe I will do my hair a little better, but that's pretty much it. The better you can present yourself, the better you can command the stage, the better you can show yourself on camera, the better things are going to be for you, and the better impression you can do on other people on the other side, basically judging you. Because let's be real, casting directors and all these people, they're judging you. They were judging you the moment you walked in that door. And now that it's on camera, the better quality that you can have, the more you can actually stand out from the crowd. And if you want to know more secrets and more tips and more hacks that we don't have the time to fully cover here, but we do have it in premium courses and programs that we have, go to DesperateActor.com, and over there we have so many resources for you, both free and premium, for you to take on, okay? So definitely go and check that out. Don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm, because it allows us to find people just like you, super like-minded and trying to get their career to the next level. Don't forget to comment below what are the things that you are implementing from this video. We would love to discuss that with you, and share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. Don't forget to subscribe either, okay? I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day.